Have egg prices got too high for you? Do you want farm fresh eggs without all the farm labor? Then we have got the perfect product for you, the automatic chicken door. This device right here takes so much of the work out of having chickens. The automatic chicken door automatically opens every morning at first light. Lets your chickens out so you can sleep in. At night, once your chickens have come home to go to sleep, it'll automatically close, keep your chickens safe from foxes, weasels, bears, you name it, this will do it.
So we have a sensor here that'll tell you when it's light or dark and move the motor. And then we have our Arduino board here, which is running the code to move everything.
You've invested a lot of time and energy into your chickens. Protect what's precious with the automatic chicken door. Call 989-555-1234 to order yours now.